What is up, everybody? This is your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we are checking out this smartwatch right here. So you can pick this up for $53 on Bangoods.com, and it's called the DT number one DT98 smartwatch right here. You can see it has the sensors on the back here, and it has a leather band on it. It comes with two different bands, a charger, everything you need in the box. So $53, like I said, you can do a group buy with someone else. You can get it for $39. And let's just take a quick look at some of the features here of this device. It has a built-in pedometer, Ali Pay offline, sort of like Apple Pay Bluetooth calls, ECG, which is pretty interesting, heart rate, blood pressure, intelligent music. You can control your music on your phone from here, and lots of other features. Like I said, blood pressure, sleep monitoring, your heart rate, pedometer, calories. It's IP68 water resistant, call message notifications. So if you get a text or something, if you have the app downloaded, it will show it on here. Remote camera, so you can control your camera if you have it mounted somewhere, and lots of other cool features in here. Weather forecast, multiple dials, so you can change the clock face on here. I like that a lot. Built-in calculator, has a AI intelligence chipset, which powers a lot of different things in here. MTK2502C processor, built-in dials, like I said, has a full HD according to the website, 1.3 inch, 240 by 240 pixel display. But so you can make phone calls in here, see your phone book, and talk to people through this, which I think is very cool. ECG detection, it uses PPG and HRV to measure and assess your heart health. Heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen level is determined through this. So much stuff on this page, it just keeps going and going. The sleep monitoring I think is very cool, so you can see how long you sleep, the length of sleep, how light sleep, heavy sleep, REM sleep, quality of sleep. So I know I just said a whole bunch of words, so we're just gonna get closer to it and take a closer look at it and see how it works, check out the screen and everything, and see what's in the box. All right, guys, so here's a closer look. I already took the watch out of the box. When you get this, the band won't be on it. You have to put the band on. I didn't want to take the band off again. But you can see the watch right here. It has a dial right here. In the back, you have all your sensors right here, your heart rate sensors, all the other sensors that sense everything. Sensory experience. Yes? S's. Okay, so here it is. Very nice. Nice leather band here. It's a silicone band, but it looks like leather, so it's going to be very durable. I like that a lot. We're going to set that down here, and there's not much to see on the box here. You can see down here, it says the model DT98 right there, a barcode you can scan. Go ahead and do that if you feel like it. And let's go ahead and open it. I have it upside down, not like that matters. So this is where the watch face would be right here. It's already on, but it would be mounted right in here. So we'll take this out right here, have an instruction manual. Not gonna do too much through here. It tells you how to download the app, how to charge it right here. There's the app right there. It's called Fundo, Fundo. You can download that, and then you can do calling, dial phone books, Bluetooth stuff, notifications. Sleep monitor will show on your phone, and your heart rate health will show on your phone through the app too. If you don't download the app, you can see all of this through the watch, but if you have the app, it's much nicer to see it. Same with like the Fitbit here. You can just go to the app and look at it. I like that a lot. And it just tells you all of the different things it does. We already talked about most of this. The only thing I didn't mention is gestures right there. So you can like turn it like this, and then it'll show a notification like that. And stop it, it won't. This does that too. We will be showing that. And then just some of the other stuff, and then a different language. So we'll go ahead and open up here. Opened it too far, but we'll go ahead and do this. Here is your charger right here. You can see it's magnetic, has those 3 dots right there. You can see here you have your 3 dots, and it just sort of does this to charge it. You plug it in with the USB. So magnetic charging. And you have a carbon fiber designed strap right here too. It is also rubber just like this one, but this one has the carbon fiber look, and this one has the leather look. So that really covers everything in the box here. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit closer here. You can see it has the numbers going all the way around it here on the dial. Looks very nice. We'll go ahead and peel this off if I can grab it, just like so. You can see it has that carbon fiber design going on the side right there. It looks very nice. And then these are where it connects. So it has a quick disconnect system here, unlike some watches for the pins. So to change the pin, you just have to pull this back, and then that lets you change it very quickly. Most watches don't have something like this. You have to have a special tool to pry the pin off, but this one, it's very simple. All you got to do is pull down on it and change it. And you can grab your new one right here. It has the same little design going on, and you can just push them into place just like so. So here we are. I quickly changed the band right there. Of course, you can use any band you want. It doesn't have to have a quick disconnect system, so you can use any watch band on here. To turn it on, you're just going to hold down the power button right here. Give it some time, and it says welcome, so we're going to let that do its thing. And some of the technical specs here on the product, as you can see right here, Has a 300 milliamp hour battery. Strap material is leather and steel. It has a G sensor. It's Bluetooth 3/4.0. I don't know what they mean by that. It is IP68 waterproof, 2 hours of battery life while using, and it has the weight information right there and the strap length right there. So we're going to go back down here and take a closer look at the watch here. As you can see right here, you have this clock face on. You can swipe over to your right here. You can see messages, phone books, call log, dialer if you want to call someone. Obviously, you have to have this connected to your phone for that to work. You can slide back to move, so it's very intuitive. You can keep going. Go back here to see your blood pressure monitor right there to see what your current heart rate is. You can keep going, so you have those on this side. If you go to the other side, like we said before, you have all of this information. You keep going, you have sport, pedometer, ECG, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitoring, sedentary, how much you're sitting, your O2 levels right there, notifications, Bluetooth music, Bluetooth camera, so you can control your music on your phone or on here, and your camera on here like we talked about before, Bluetooth right there, motion, so if you wanted to do things as you turn it like that, you can do that right there to answer calls, to mute things, different things. We'll take a quick look here. You can see some of these here that you can control. Slide back. Themes right here, so these are different watch themes. We'll just click it there. I don't really know the difference. Calendar, alarm, stopwatch, calculator, apps, and settings right there. Keep going. You have your language, find device. If you lose it, it can vibrate and make noises. Display, so you can control your display settings right here, how bright it is, screen timeout time, and then your dial selection here. This is my favorite thing. So you can go in here and change the dial of the clock face. You see all these different ones here. Let's just pick this one for now, and then we'll go all the way back. You can also press this here to go all the way back. So very cool, and it's a very nice display. Like, it's very crisp, very good viewing angles. I don't have it turned on right now. You just press this. You can see it right there. You have your sensors on the back. We'll go ahead and go to the heart rate right here and just press start. You can see it going right there, trying to sense. Blood pressure test, you can see it there. Obviously, this has to be on my arm to work. O2 test. Those two sensors right there. And so what we're going to do now is we're just going to put this on my arm and actually take a little bit closer of a look right here. So like I mentioned before, there's the app called Fundu you're going to download. And I'm just going to show you guys this real quick. When you turn it, it auto goes. You go back, it stops. You go back again, it shows it. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. You're going to press smartwatch here on your Bluetooth. Once you download the app, it will tell you to do this. You can see it's connected right there. So we're just going to go back to our app right here. That's the App Store. I have it open somewhere, I thought. Click it. So here it is in the app right here. You can see all the details right here, your sports information here, how fast you are running and stuff. You have steps over here, how many steps you've taken with it on. Have me down here. Analysis over here. It'll analyze your information. Your sleep health right here. In the middle here is your main page. Report, it'll create a report right here, sleep report, heart rate report, blood pressure report, blood oxygen report, etc. And then you have more over here, which is adding your device and doing different stuff right here. We'll press add device, smartwatch right here. Pairing request, would like to pair with your iPad? Yes. I guess you want to do this first actually. Display your iPad notifications. If this was your phone, obviously it would be your phone notifications, allow. And then you can do Bluetooth call right here. Please enter settings manually. Remote shutter on and off. ECG detection right here. Tells you how to do that. See up here when you've last done it. Data sync is successful, and you can sync it with your Apple Health right there. So here it is right here. How many steps I've taken, I guess. Syncing with my Apple data as well. Haven't used any of this yet. And then you can see this. This is since I've had the device on. So go back to the main page here, and you can see just a general idea. And as you do more info, it will build up, and you can just track your health throughout your day and week and month and life. And I think that's really cool. That's why I have a smartwatch too, because I like seeing this stuff, especially how well I sleep. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to focus on the watch a bit. So here's the watch right here. We're just going to go ahead and show you some of the other features we haven't shown before. If you go down, you can see your battery health, if you're connected via Bluetooth, and your current sound audio level, as well as the date and time. The battery is critically low right now. If you go up, it's the same deal. When we go over here, we said we had Bluetooth music up here too, so you can control your music, and it plays music out of this. It has a built-in speaker. And that music is not coming from the iPad, it is coming from the watch right here, and you can switch your songs right here and control the volume right here. And keep in mind, these are songs I downloaded on my iPad like years ago. I don't listen to this stuff, guys. Nothing against it, but there's a lot of weird songs in here. But I think that's really cool that you can do that. You also go over here. You have your Bluetooth camera right here if you have that turned on. I don't think I turned it on the app right there as we saw before. Notifications right here. I haven't had any because I'm lonely. Over here we have all the other things here. The theme like we talked about before. Alarm, calculator. Really cute. You can type whatever you want. I was trying to type 42069 GME to the moon, but okay, so here we go. You have find device right here. Display settings we talked about before. Find device would okay, so it just sorts of does a little beeping thing to help you find it. And let's go over here. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly do the blood pressure. We're going to quickly do the heart rate monitoring test right here. So it says it's 78 right now. Let's go ahead over here to the Fitbit. It says I'm 110. Quite the discrepancy there, but I don't know which is more accurate. I'd assume the Fitbit, but I don't know. Pedometer right there. Heart rate we just did. Let's see what the ECG does. Am I okay? Am I gonna live, guys? Interesting. Let's see O2 levels right here. We'll just do a quick test. 97, I think that's okay, isn't it? I don't actually know. My blood pressure, am I gonna live? Is that good, guys, or is that very bad? So yeah, that's just some of the information here. As you can see, the display is very nice and it's very bright, honestly, depending on which direction you're looking at it. You can always see it, really. And you can turn off that auto off thing that's going on right there, but it works like this. I think that it's really cool that it has a built-in G sensor right there too. So that basically covers everything. So let's go ahead and close this out. So there you go, guys. This is a quick look at the DT98 smartwatch. It's available at banggood.com. There will be a link down below if you want to purchase this. Like I said before, it's about $50, but you can do a group buy to get it at about $39. They also have a first-time user coupon code of $20 available. So you can easily get this under the $53 or so asking price. So I think it's a great smartwatch. I like how you can change the watch faces. I love the way you can change the watch faces on the front. I love the design of it. It looks like a regular old watch, especially if you have one of the old analog styles on here too. As you can see here, you can go over here and pick an analog one. Go back. And I love that it's very easy to change that. I love that it can control a lot of different things. You can do your blood pressure, your heart rate, your sleep quality, and all those different things we talked about before, O2 sensor, everything like that. And you can see how it works just like a regular watch there. The bands are very easy to change, and you can use any band you want, which is very cool. And the design is very lightweight and also sturdy. It feels like sort of metal and carbon fiber plastic on the side right there. So like I said before, there will be a link down below if you want to purchase this. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can leave a like down below and subscribe if you want to see more of these cool videos. So I hope you guys have a good one, and peace out.